Hello everyone, we got a new video today. It's about the rear brakes on a 2018 Bmw 430i. We're going to be replacing the back brake pads. As you can see, I already took the tire off using a 17mm socket. And then after we remove the lug nuts, these are the cover for the bolts right here. There's one here and one down here. And to remove these two bolts, you're going to need 8mm Allen wrench. This is what you're going to use. Okay? And then as you are unscrewing the bolts, when you do that, just push and pull, because you're going to be there forever try to unscrew these bolts. You have to unscrew and then pull out at the same time. And after you do that, make sure you stick a screwdriver to push on the piston. That way give you room so you can take the caliper off. And right now I'm gonna go ahead and remove these bolts and we'll go from there. Alright, like I told you guys, you see right there, if you can't pull it this way, take a screwdriver and push on it from here. Push on it. Don't push on the thread. You're gonna mess up the thread. Just push right here. Okay? And then go to the end. Push it all the way back. There you go. Alright? And then when you remove these bolts, make sure you clean them up. Put a little bit of grease right here. That way they go in and out easy. Okay? And I already took the other one off. So now the way to remove this clip right here, I'm gonna stick a screwdriver right here and push on it. See that? So when you push on it, make sure you put your finger here so they don't fly in your face, hit you in the face. There you go. And as I mentioned before, stick a screwdriver inside, in between, and push on the piston. Okay, see that? There you go. Push, 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 push. Alright. See how easy that was to remove the caliper? Now I'm going to set the caliper up here. Make sure you don't put tension on the brake caliper. Okay? And these pads are done. Nothing left. See that? Okay. Okay, one side should have the sensor, not this side, but I'm gonna show you when I get to the other side. Show you how to remove the sensor and put it back on. But I'm gonna go ahead and use the old one. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and brush the bracket, clean up real good. Okay, after I brush this bracket, I'm gonna clean the caliper as well. Then I'm gonna have to press the piston for the new pads that way they go in easy. Alright, let's do that. Alright, now I'm gonna put the new pad on. I'm gonna try my best with one hand. Okay, this is how you do it right there. Make sure these are inside the piston before you start pushing. Okay, so like that, and you just push. Bam. Okay, for the other one, for this one, you're just gonna put it right there, just like that. Okay, but before I install this, I'm gonna put a little bit of grease right here and there, over here, same over here for this one, That way makes it easy for the pads to go in and out. Alright guys, this is how you push the piston. Get a clamp like this and push on the piston very gently, okay, and very slow. And before you do that, you go open your hood and open the brake fluid container. Open that and then put like a rag or a towel around the container. That way, because when you push, the oil is gonna come up. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and push on this all the way down. That way it goes in easy. I'm gonna do that and then I'll be back. Alright guys, as you can see, install the caliper. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grease these bolts right here. Some grease on them. Like I said, if they have rust on them or something, you can clean them up. And just put a little bit of grease, just like that. Alright. See? And you're going to do the same thing for the other one. And make sure they're tight, but not too tight. Don't break them. Okay? So I'm going to go ahead and install these. Make sure they're tight. And then we'll install the clip and go from there. Alright, it's time to install the clip. This is the tough part. Okay, so this is how you install it back. Put this first, this side, and then you push this one all the way back. That way you just have this left. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna get a screwdriver and push it right from here. There you go. Okay. Now we just install the new brake pads. Make sure the bolts are tight. And make sure you put these covers back on. Alright. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'm gonna show you how to replace your sensor. And like I said, mine is probably not too bad, so I'm gonna have to put it back on. Alright, we'll show you when I get there. Alright, now we are on the passenger side, and this is what I was talking about. This is the sensor right here. See what's clipped over here, and then it is right here on the pad. So before you do anything, get this first right here. See? This is the caliper's valve right here. Okay, close it back up. That way you have this free. And then when we take the bolts off and everything, and the clip, I'm going to show you how to remove the sensor cable very gently, especially if you're going to put it back. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do what I did on the other side, remove everything, and then when I get to the sensor, I will show you how to remove it. Alright. Alright. Okay, as you can see, I removed the pad from the piston, and I pulled it out this way so I can have enough space to remove the sensor. What you can do, hold on, let me use both hands. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna do my best to show you. Okay, hopefully you can see. Alright, this is your pad that has a sensor. All you're gonna do, get a flathead screwdriver and stick it right in the bottom and just push up very easy and gently. Okay, especially like I said, if you're gonna reuse it. And then when you push, you just pull it, use your fingers and pull out. Alright, here we go. And then when you do that, look, it goes through the caliper from the middle and out. Okay, this is your sensor right here. Now what you're gonna do, you're gonna clean that spring right there, that brass color thing inside, and then you're gonna put it back the same way you removed it. Okay, just like this. Okay, it's got that little nipple right here. This one's gonna be on this side. On this side, right here. It's gonna be like that. And you just push down. That's all. But before you install your new one, if you have the new one, or you're gonna reuse this one, make sure you put this through the middle of the caliper, just like that, and then you can install it. There you go. And you're gonna follow the same procedure. Alright guys, if you have any question, please let me know. I would like to help you out. And if you are new to the channel, also if you like the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. And if you have any, like I said, if you have any comments, leave the comment below and I will get back to you. Alright guys, we'll see you soon. Bye.